skills is becoming the most important deciding factor in a person's future.
Probably you should be the one who should be giving us ideas. What do you want? A Viksit Sikkim.
स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग एक फर्स्ट जनरेशन स्किल्ड मैन पावर होने वाला
We have achieved the milestone that very few people can do it.
You will not only become successful professionals, but also worthy citizens of a great nation.
I congratulate Medhavi for the amazing work that they are doing. Working for the youth, changing their lives is something amazing, and I want to congratulate them and wish them success in the future as well. It wasn't very long back that I was one of you. One thing that I always had was always dreaming big. Whenever we think of a dream, we start thinking about challenges first. Now the worlds are changing, and you cannot be a passenger. You know, you have to actively drive your life, and it can be overwhelming. So first thing is, you are getting a very good opportunity. Try to make the best out of the opportunities that you are getting here. I mean, skills is becoming the most important deciding factor in a person's future. You know, you are very young, but you will not always remain young. You know, be that person who everyone looks up to.
I mean, if you have to look for motivation, there is no better motivation than what you heard Pari speaking here. A 96 born getting to handle a district at the age of 30. You think education only would have propelled? You know, there would always be empathy winning over AI. You can be full of potential, but unless you make a team for yourself, you are not going to win in life. Probably you should be the one who should be giving us ideas. What do you want? A Viksit Sikkim. I have fondly named my daughter as Tista. When I got an opportunity to write my vision statement for Viksit India by 2047, I would want a workplace which should be accessible 24/7. I would want a place wherein she can roam in the day, in the dead of the night, without the fear that something will happen to her. And I'm sure Medhavi University is working towards that. I would wish to congratulate the founders of Medhavi for having built such a good institution, and to all of you who have taken admission here. I'm sure you all have bright careers, who have the destiny of India in your hands, the destiny of Sikkim in your hands. We look forward to you, and we look up to you that you will make this place and this beautiful state the fulcrum of that development.
सिक्किम हमारा रोल मॉडल है. कल को ये हमको पढ़ाएगा मेहनत, डिसिप्लिन, एथिक्स, सब चीज़. इसके लिए मैं हमारा MSU यूनिवर्सिटी के जो ड्रेन्स है जिसने कॉन्सेप्ट किया, स्किल बेस्ड एजुकेशन कैन ऑल्सो बी इम्पार्टेड थ्रू ए यूनिवर्सिटी. अब यहाँ क्या कर रहा है आपको पता है. बहुत सारा लोग जो नॉर्मल डिग्री लेके उन लोग आते हैं, लेकिन उन लोगों में जो स्किल जो हमारा उसका रिक्वायरमेंट्स में नहीं बैठता है, तो इसके लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. दैट इज़ वाई ये स्किलिंग करना इट इज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हैविंग नॉर्मल जो एजुकेशन जो सर्टिफिकेट है, इनसे बहुत ही अलग है. और अब एक जो हमारा इंडिया का स्किल इंडिया मिशन के तौर पे जो आप लोगों ने यहाँ में वो हिम्मत दिखाया है, ऐसे कंपोजिशन के बीच में मैं कभी भी ना रहा. फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग एक फर्स्ट जनरेशन स्किल्ड मैन पावर होने वाला. आई लाइक टू सी 100% of you get employed in coming years में.
We have achieved, we have shown a path, we have achieved the milestone that very few people can do it. One MOU was signed between Medhavi Skill University and the National Institute of Open Schooling to impart education, skill education at the pre-degree level, and the Medhavi University will be the opportunity for those students who will pass out from NIUS for their career progression, for their higher education. Medhavi Skill University is really doing a great job, and I wish all the students of Medhavi University that sky is the limit. You people are doing a great job for transforming the nation, transforming the population across the country. And after collaboration of both the institutions, we are going to do it more.
If you want to remain relevant and future ready, you must acquire competence by mastering your skills. I invite every student present here to rise above the pursuit of personal success alone. Dream big, work hard, remain humble, respect your parents and teachers, stay physically fit, keep learning throughout your life, and never compromise your integrity. You will not only become successful professionals, but also worthy citizens of a great nation. I once again congratulate Medhavi Skills University for sharpening young minds that will shape India's future. May each one of you carry the spirit of Naam, Namak and Nishan in your hearts and the resolve to nation first in every decision you make. May God bless all of you. All the best. Jai Hind.